you doing, Shadow?
What's going on in this house? How did this happen? Russell not very noses. Sir, we don't know what happened. For all we know, Ronald Beaton died of natural causes. You don't believe that? That's it. Right. Theories. Facts. Three of the four Beaton brothers have died within the last 6 months. 2 within the last 3 days. All raised to a fortune. We just won't build a West End. Let's get far and Beaton. Yes, sir.
You trying to roll over already?
Who's that, sir? The Beaton family lawyer. I thought I'd have a chat.
I give up. Fully no.
Too tight. It was passed on to all 4 sons in the form of a joint tenant.
What's that?
It's a form of estate common to married couples. On death of one, it automatically passes to the other.
Except in this case, it passes to the surviving brothers. Why would no man Beaton do it like that?
2 reasons. One is Beaton married himself. The house and the and that's not counting. If you were asking.
Yeah, Shadow. Use your muscle.
Which brother expressed this concern? The eldest. You're wearing your skeleton to inherit the entire fortune. I'm not an idiot. Wasn't it at your urging to escape the bequeath as a joint tenants? That was to prevent Timothy from making a mockery of being even his suicide was not hatred. I'm not convinced it was suicide. I beg your pardon? Anyone?
Did you just spit up? Ugh. What, Shadow?
2 minutes. At the last. In 2 minutes, Byron would have had to travel from where he was in West
You got the
Wing
hiccup.
all the way to the room that he slept in on the 2nd floor. I paced it out. How long did it take? Just under a minute.
Oh, I'll wait till you come that distance in half the time.
I can't count it. Although Ronald screamed, they were coming out of their rooms. Yes, that is a problem, but it is possible. Seriously. One of the ghosts was instrumental in Mr. Beaton's death. It was. What? The ghost was Timothy. I saw it. Look right at it. I believe the ghost was Byron. I intend to demonstrate how he did it.
Someone's starting to get fussy. Someone's starting to get fussy. But how far do you think I can shoot this out of my mouth now?
Probably not as far as you can shoot the poop out of your butt.
Scully's on Overwatch.
3 good tubes.
Yeah, but that's what makes him upset. Is farting or pooping. He gets upset when he does it. Because apparently it's uncomfortable.
Yeah, so we get some new.
What? Alright, heading out to the wedding venue to start setting up. Hopefully my partner is there on time as well. And I'm praying that today goes great and that we get a lot of really good shots while I'm still there and that he does good once I leave at 7:30. And then I'm also praying that Hannah and Shadow are gonna do good while I am gone, since I'm going straight from the wedding to work. It's probably the longest time I've been gone, but yeah, alright. So maybe I'll show you a little bit from the wedding. But like I said, today's vlog is a little bit meh.
Well, the photographer will be standing over there, probably getting her walking down the aisle, and then.
Yeah, they weren't here yesterday, so I
What?
have no clue what their plans are. Getting set up. Look at that landing.
Oh. But see, that's what's so nice about the FC 2500 is the
Say hello to my vlog.
Oh. I didn't know I was being recorded.
You are now.
Well,
Hey, look, a bird.
I'm watching the hawk kind of just float there.
Right. Where'd you go, Mr. Hawk? There you are.
Cool.
Because what's going on here? Who could I poop on?
Shannon. Just kidding. Not really.
Well, ceremony's over. I filmed the entire thing in 4K on my phone. So we'll see how that ended up looking. And of course I used the Sony RX10 Mark II. I used my NEX, which might still be recording. No, it's not. And my action camera. So today's vlog is definitely different from most of the ones I shoot. So
Wow, that was
you lead, Robbie.
One more minute, please. Thank you. Eddie, you did pretty good. I said you weren't a dancer, but no, you did pretty good.
Oh, this was my
Alright, wedding is done, at least for me. My partner is still there filming the rest of it. I feel bad that I have to leave, but you know, it worked out. I got lots of good shots for the video, and they're gonna end up loving it. Now, to jet to work. I start work in 20 minutes, and it takes about 10 minutes to get there. So, and I didn't get to eat because there was just too long lines, and didn't really get that chance. So, if I think I have time, maybe I'll grab like a dollar menu something. All right, I'm at work. I've been here for the past couple hours now. I have till 4 in the morning, but I'm out rolling around on the golf cart. So, figured I'd bust out the camera and do a little bit of vlogging. So, yeah, simple night so far. Nothing crazy has gone on. Hopefully it'll stay that way, because I know Hannah's always worrying about me being safe. So guys, let me know what you thought of today's vlog. I know it was a little different, and I didn't have much of Hannah and Shadow in it. I wish there was more. Wish I was at home more. But yeah, figured I'd show you some of the other things that I do sometimes. Although it's been a couple years since I've had. Well, no, I filmed a wedding last year, I think. But if you know anybody looking for people to do videography for their wedding, let us know. We do this stuff, and we do not cost a whole lot. So if you're looking for someone to film your wedding, let us know. We'd gladly do it. I think my buddy and I, we want to actually make a real profession out of this, doing this professionally more often. I mean, yeah, we got paid to do this, so we do it professionally, but you know, it'd be kind of nice to do it a little bit more. So yeah, let us know, because you know, obviously I've talked about it. I do photography too, and I've done photography for weddings, so I don't just do it for Hannah and I. Yeah, hit us up. We gladly do your wedding for you.